Me did the Isaac Jumpo, but me family the great sample and bring one man come near too much G8, too much G8, more too much. Namen so me I'm more fire.
Memamo Aquaba Shonko Eba Tumaji HS Midi Edenana Ama Obuswa na every SMU a training issues Ebesomo not as any bread as the Namiko and Semno so precope Ebusia for Aquasa Papa no Sagano and then Asibetu Ewa Womani and Wetante Debi Agda yes Tiako Dad as I die Akata Sokra Patani Munsukra na project Kakrane Nasa Humiso Ebi Makwete Fun Yesin Dada Upeja Swanya Kakrana Yinkana Edi amount. Na I know and so matter say and then for Frubi Abeto as a new audio. So I bet you what to say be allegations you say papa no your former president JM. Now audio no mono and some Kakrekum a course to say 2 years after 2016 election and as I said sa audio way a year recorded as I said emu ensem na kwete Miss Bonnie Tracy Bacha friend Miss Boa womudi enkomo about how 2016 elections campaign omo ye etwika omo go omo ye nuanom na totomato ye nuanom beti pempesto bi now se see ade as de Miss Boa twa no wa fake chire na say because ono no manage JM account the Instagram account no wodi use sa opportunity no edi ahante wo no Tracy Bacha na say enyema enko ye ntia say apam anya adwuma wo muntem na say ehun be yan say Tracy Bacha ebe fre Miss Boa na say chechemu ni mentimu asa ma omo so no momentimi asset no and na so ema audio yi abeto appoint because na recorded ye ni afa edi audio yi ba appoint and ye ni say na ba ya enkomo we taking place in the first place but enya beto appoint ni for Ghana for the donor essay confirming the already open rumor and number from say papa no a Tracy Bacha say any Miss Boa 3 months wo social media so ema nothing mu be fa gloria kanihu as see ade aba fa kodu honorable Kennedy Japan wa say na na dey cry 3 months to kakra see ade asa pm bi ma audio fufa be na say papa no according to audio we Ghana for conclude say na JM and say oye papa no na 2 days to election na same way bad ya na akoye ensemble na busa for me besa me kasa ebewa yegotie audio no emra.
Yeah, hello. Okay, it's very clear now. Me say on say NDC no na edi ebebo mu say enua baako during 2016. I don't know man me who na who yeah. I've seen some things before God the man. Me wo na obi the screenshot ama me. Maybe crime say wo frame me na wo US. Ma wo frame wo say wo hu caption bi mistress. And I'm a catcher say me can come in a screenshot.
You called me and you were
yes. I remember.
You were very upset. You wouldn't listen to anything I have.
And I'm a catcher or call no. Yes, I remember. And I'll say me bune from TNT funny serious. I remember. Come number no screenshots in Brano. Who's the Instagram? Maybe you see more than one account. Yeah, na picture be that here. Yes, and Brabi dear or control papa account no. Me, say I have 110 evidence that a woman will control account, which I can send you on WhatsApp now. I approached him myself. So I say, I'm doing a Miss Bell, and all these while, all you me say now we all supporting because the capital not the amount. Now I can't natural, and I can't say, me chaso. Then I'm saying no, me chaso because I did not Miss Bell, yeah, What's it or the Sunday we hear it? So you want or me now what between the idea between. Meanwhile, the message between you and Miss Bell, I want me phone. So Miss Bell me the PR bontia and some I did no and yeah, papa. So I spoke to my mom right now, and I'm saying no, Miss Bell is like a big sister to me. Let me call her and let her know what is going on because the Echika is not funny. I have thought about this thing the whole of this morning, so I just decided, say no, let me call you. You can record and send it to him. What Vodafone number? Have you asked me how I got the Vodafone number? Because of the messages between the two of you. You want to fuck him at the end, so they bro, funky, they bro. I have everything on my phone. If you can't try and say, you are doing this. Yeah, I told him straight. Say, I didn't manipulate.
Screenshot of my messages.
Yes.
Unyawe.
On the phone, so.
Okay.
All my pictures, any of the idea or the man, no, natural cash and I can't I have it. So I said, say no. When you make it come, it's not funny.
But it's a Mahama like I chose me managing an account.
And you're on a kind of me, who called me to say, have you checked your Instagram account? Who called me to say, what should I write? Nancy, I feel send me by a call text saying someone for say Lodina. Like everything, I have the whole thing. Before I come ask them,
you saw it on his phone.
I saw it myself. I saw it myself. Say, ultra picture. No, they are sending, no, the caption. I can't want myself at home. I don't care. And you must say, maybe problem with your mama friend. Yeah, editing now. What edited the sending or say, and maybe what the I did sending and say, you see, he's so good in bed, blah blah blah. Say, hey, who is doing this to me? It's your mommy's friend blogger because say, edit me edit will be captions. So before the mommy who you're not busan and went to me and denied him, all he said was Yenchaso. Now, on one Emma Woye. And I was like, I don't care. But I don't know, editing in your bro. Or I didn't know the bro. You even want him not to send me a picture on from my answer. And I will send a picture, I'm off to Facebook on from my answer. I saw all of them, but I didn't hear me problem. The hospital bill now, about 20 million, I can't say channel. I have everything. You know, they say me, what evidence on the phone to 100% and I'm bro. About 2,000, and I'll say a be a 500, and a be a 1,000, a be 200. Into friends coming so. Into many questions are. Let's say we have Mr. Miss Bill. About one thing. Yes, it's your number. Meaning, I even viewed the number in the chat, and I mean, say you even came out to say or you're run the channel, and I say oh, 2 hour hospital bill, but only been to about 1 and I saw it on the phone to say I'll send you 2,000 officer. And I say, oh, outside the country, about the Bible woman. And I buy my fans 5K, and I'll done. I said, oh, Zach is kind of 5K, what done I say? I said, oh, I have them. So, the reason why I called you, you can send it to him, and you're my friend. But Miss Rowe, everything, Miss Rowe, I don't know what you are going through, so yes, sir, I will not blame you. Maybe I cry, my phone said, Mrs. Papeni, means me, I sent you out. But with the young people, do Miss Rowe. Politics na emi ni yakoye me ta chome ntimi enye oboni e maybe I will friend me call to me for say me I'm very careful with me nkomo bi I'm free with her what to say what kata maka wa asema chani that I don't do that because who come asema and can one friend me nka sa asem ni nchire me you know me na what me da me ho so I beg you in the name of God you dey manage money ma money campaign but me chase ni edit na o the man on there please. You know, baby, I would call. Apart from Papa, minimum I will send them all. And what's over from a hot time? Miss Bill, meeting your money video. Meeting your be messages me 8080, number 8080. Messages all the money. Nah, I have it on my drive. Do you understand? I tried to because I mean, Justin could be denied, but he didn't deny. So I beg you in the name of God, please. Now, you can say, all according in your sending. I saw everything. I beg you.
I don't know where you are taking this, but I think you just want me to know that you have access to his phone, and
it's not even about access to.
Everything you're saying, I
about the whole thing, I saw everything.
Everything.
About
I don't know where it's coming from, and I don't know where it's going, but I get what you're trying to do. But it's fine. Are you done talking?
You see, you are still getting me wrong.
Are you done? Because I'm sitting here minding my whole business. You called to tell me all this. I don't think it's necessary what you see on his phone and what he tells you and what he cannot deny and all that. I don't think it's necessary. It should be between you and him.
Yeah, it's not even about
I don't know what you're talking about. And
it's not even about
anything. If you have a problem and you think it's me, you can sue me because you seem to have a lot of evidence.
Why would I sue you? It's like,
if you have a problem and you think you have evidence, I think you should sue me. That's the best way. Everything you're calling me to tell me now, I don't know where I'm.
And you know, the American, you like you only want to say, like I'm coming from a good way.
Me who baby Audi, fini baby Audi ko. And I'm maybe so say, are you done?
Okay, I'm done.
Thank you.
na se na meka no pepe no eno ene dem asumu wo so wetie no wadwenkyere efa ho ene se wotie ye no wo so conclude se na Ghana fo bi edika conclude se je ema na se wo so wadwen foforo e de efa ho ba mo de fo wadwenkyere no esumi our comment section na follow ye our Twitter and your Instagram handles at @tumagh_, Facebook also @tumagh. Midi yana na ama owusu na me yadoma e we de ehia bi makram